Boxes and boxes, guys. If you want to see what's inside, keep on watching. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Cherry from Cherry Beauty Step, and I know guys, I look like a mess right now because guys, I can't wait for tomorrow. I can't. Just kidding. Because all of our Amazon, actually guys, I have few that more coming, and then I have few that I have to do another unboxing of Amazon guys, and we'll wait for that. So that's gonna be my new arts. If you are like my page on my Facebook, Cherry's Beauty Stop, on my my Facebook page guys, I always take a picture of the puzzle that I'm making right now, but the arts that I'm gonna do maybe next week. I'm gonna start next week. We'll see guys. It's not a puzzle, so it's a different art. So go back to all of these boxes, and there's more here on the back. Now you know what, Jack, what's his name? Jack Basil. I have to call my husband Jack Basil guys. I think he's gonna be a trillionaire guys because of this pandemic. You know that? Because he's like Amazon. If you order it on them guys, if you are ordering it and you're a Prime member, yeah, it's not the next day, but it will arrive. You know, you're not waiting for a week, you're not waiting for a couple of weeks. It takes like maybe, I would say, days, and then all your boxes is here. Okay, I know I talk a lot guys, I have a lot to open up. Now most of this is household. With all this craziness going on right now, we trying to clean our house, organized everything, and even at the background, my, you know, where I'm doing my, what is this, video, I organized that. I didn't show it, but yeah, oh my god, I'm sorry, I talk too much. Okay, so first, some of this already opened and some is not. So one here is already open guys, and this one is, what is this? I think most of this is my husband ordered it, so it's not for me. It's not beauty related guys. If you're here for makeup, or it's not a beauty related right now, the unboxing guys is mostly household, whatever, you know. So first one is what? Oh, this, I didn't order this, my husband orders this. Pop off bird poop. Because guys, are outside, there's like I always saw maybe two birds outside, or more than that, I don't know. They have a house in there, and we wanna claim it, our porch, so we want to claim it again. So we are getting this, you know, spray for the poop. Sorry if you're eating watching this, I'm sorry guys. So we're gonna clean up, and we bought a wind chime. I don't know where my husband, where you put the wind chime, love? The wind chime, this one. Sorry, so loud. We already take that off from the boxes, so that's from Amazon too. We took that, and this one here. So because they said if you have a wind chime, or what is this, like something that is sparkly outside your porch, the birds are not likely staying in your porch. So we'll see if it work or not. So next is Oh, some of it it's not open. I'm so sorry. Let me open it, guys, and I'll be back. So it's not gonna take so long. Okay. Okay, guys. So before we open this one, I have to open. They're together. So I got this one here, of course, from Amazon still. And this is a queen size. Oh, it's how you say this? Duvet, love? A duvet, you said? As a Japanese duvet cover. So let me put this away somewhere there. So it's a Japanese cover, guys. I really wanted to do this unboxing today because we wanna use this one, guys. So this is a duvet. Maybe my husband will put a picture somewhere here, somewhere. The picture of this one, guys, but this is a Japanese one, and it has a cherry blossom, of course. If you don't know, guys, my name came from Japanese tree, not a cherry fruit. My Japanese is from sakura Japanese tree, a cherry blossom tree. So when we saw this one, it's like we want a new blanket or duvet, whatever is that, and I want a cherry blossom. So because this one is only a duvet, guys, so I think it has a pillowcase and cover. So we have to, what is this? We have to order the insert for the duvet. So we got this one. This is when so we have this one, when in hotel, guys. So it's like the hotel when they have the insert. So we will put this one in here together, so it's a little bit thick. I think this one is good for winter, but good luck to us, it's summer. But well, glad our AC is working right now, so yeah, that will be fine. And like I said, we're gonna insert, so you know what I'm talking about, guys. Like, what is she talking about? What is that? So yep, that's it, guys. And we have three more. This one will be the last one, because oh my god, guys, I've been wanting for this for birthday. And of course, if you are, I don't know if what is this, if I posted in my Facebook page about what my husband birthday gift to me, but in my personal page, yes, I put it there. But it's, yeah. So this one, guys, is what's in here? Oh, okay, so it's yay, throw it away. Yeah, I've got a headband, guys. I always, oh my god, it looks small. I always have a headband whenever I do tutorials because of my craziness hair. But I have this one, a Mickey Mouse. This is 2-in-1 because, guys, I have to stop saying guys, because my sister in Canada, she's like, stop saying guys in every sentence you're talking. Like, okay, just kidding. So this is the one, because I am reading books every Saturday, 8 p.m. my time here in Colorado, and 10 in the morning in the Philippines. So I want to have this guy. Oh, there you go, the guys again. I wanted to wear this reading books because, for the kids, this is for kids. So yeah, and I could wear this in my YouTube. Why not? I have two of this. This is for Minnie Mouse, and this is for Mickey Mouse. Party. So I got that, guys, and there you go again. Sorry. So I think this one I will try to link all of this unboxing because I got it in Amazon. It's easy to copy and paste the link. So I think this one is like $6 for both. For both, yes. So this one is also, I'm not sure now. Why it looks small? I don't know why. So this is also $6. No, maybe not. Maybe like 9. I'm not sure now. So let me open up and show it to you guys. There you go. I have to stop. Okay. So this is the one. I think it's smaller than I have. Remember the one I have? I think it's the same size, maybe. But yes, look cutie cute. I have a new headband because I always have the same headband. It starts from the beginning of my videos since last year. It's the same because I can't find it. Like I try to look up in Amazon and like very nice one. I don't see anything there, but this one looks so nice. So you're gonna see this in my future video. And one more. Oh, I just wish they had like sparkly one and pink or purple color. But this is so nice. Did you see this one here? It means it's not gonna hurt your ears. That's here. Let me take off my glasses. I don't have anything on my face, and I just finished shower. I washed my hair today, so that's it. So this is the one. Oh, that is so cutie pie. Cutie cute. They're like the same. Did you see it? Well, this one has like the lace, but at least it's okay. It's okay. So the second one to the last one, guys. There you go. I have to cut myself. So, I'm gonna have a lot of trash tomorrow. And who's gonna clean that? Man, just kidding. So this one, I saw this one. I think this is like recommendation in Amazon or something. And then I saw it and it has different colors and like, oh wow, it's so cute. It's a robe, guys. It's not a dress, it's a robe. And I love wearing robe in the house. I have like, how many I have? Maybe 5? No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think I have 5 and this would be the 6th one or 7. But ooh, it's so cute. Maybe I'll put a picture somewhere so you can see the beauty on it. And you're like, okay. So this is the one. It's so cute. If you want to be cute or whatever. Maybe I'm gonna wear this soon on my channel, guys. So it looks like a kimono. No, kimono. The Japanese kimono. And I hope it looks like it would fit on me. And I think this is, how much is this? Like $12, I think. And it has different colors. They have pink, blue, purple. And I only ordered one because I don't know the quality. I don't know it would fit on me. So if it fit on me and I would love it, I will order again a different colors. And the quality is silk. It's very soft. Imagine that when you're like wearing this in the morning and sipping tea. So yeah, that's it, guys. And the last but not the least, let me open this because it's still sealed and I'll be back. Okay, the last box is the, oh my god, I got tired because I have to like take it off of the box. And like I said, I've been wanting this for my birthday, but my husband got me a better one. I'm just kidding. So I told him like, order me this one, use my card, I want it. So, and I got myself a juicer, guys. I know it's a little bit expensive, but I don't know why I want the big one. This is the big one here. But yeah, I wanted a juicer. I don't know. I don't know if I would love it or not, but I planning to, like, before I will eat breakfast, I will do juicer first. I don't know, guys. We'll see what I'm planning to do with myself. But yeah, so it's gonna be a long video, so I have to stop it. And thank you for watching for my unboxing craziness face today, guys. And I'm gonna have more unboxing in the future, so please bear with me. And thank you for watching, guys. And always remember that there's always someone who loves you. Shalom.